This rally is being organized under the Election Commission of India's SWEEP program, that is Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation, to apprise the young voters, especially those who are going to cast their vote for the first time, to apprise them about the benefits of voting. It's voting, particularly among the young members of a community, are beneficial for the future of a healthy democracy. So, under the guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, we have taken it on, we have formed a committee wherein all organs are functioning towards apprising and exhorting our young students to participate in the electoral process for the healthy future of our country.
University of Kashmir today organized a rally in connection with the SWEEP program for sensitization of the fresh voters or the first time voters in order to sensitize the entire university students specifically for casting their first vote. So we had a relay today and we'll have many more programs in the coming days in order to gain the importance of the voting, specifically the democratic setup which is in the country as specifically. And there is a mandate to the university more specifically referring in order to sensitize the entire students, particularly those who are casting their vote first time. So as you know that this is a very important critical exercise being conducted in the country as far as the voting is concerned. So there is a democratic process, so students actually need to understand the value of their vote as such. So until unless it's the largest democracy in the world, but until unless you will not actually know the value of your vote, you will not be able to contribute to the development of the country directly or indirectly. So in this connection we had a relay which passed through the different departments of the university as such, and in the coming days we are also going to have many more programs in this regard. We are regularly we have conducted many programs in the hostels and other areas as such. So in the coming days we will be having more programs of such nature with the different stakeholders of the university.
If we see that in last 5 years, the present lot of students in University of Kashmir, at that time they might have been at the age of 16 or 17 years. All of these students have now become eligible. So they are all first time voters. We have a sitting capacity of almost 8 to 10,000 students in the University of Kashmir. So they are first time, almost all of them are first time voters. Therefore, it becomes imperative upon all of us to sensitize our younger generations about the importance of voting and right to their vote. So that is why in this connection various programs are being conducted in the University of Kashmir. I would say that the University of Kashmir is totally in the mood of elections these days, because at every level we are sensitizing our younger generations, our students about the importance of vote.
So this is a rally organized by the NSS Department of University of Kashmir. Herein we have gathered today to make the students aware about the voting rights and to make them aware of the fundamental duty that is laid upon them to and their right to vote as a citizen of India. So the right to vote, that is a right of every citizen of India. It has a very importance when it comes to the whole administration of a country. So when we vote, we become a stakeholder in any policy making process, and we then are legitimized, and when we form a government through our vote, we then are legitimized to ask the government our questions or anything. So that's the importance of this rally.
हमारा यहाँ पे आज के एनएसएस के थ्रू आज रैली निकल रही है, जिस पे हम आज लोगों को, यंग पीपल्स को ये अवेयर करना चाहते हैं कि हमारा वोट कितना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हमारा आज फर्स्ट वोट होने वाला है। तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हम आगे आके अपने उस कैंडिडेट को चुनें जो कि हमें लगता है कि हमारा कल को डेवलपमेंट कर सकता है, हमारा फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट अच्छा हो सकता है, और जो हम चाहे हम उनको आगे रख सकते हैं, वो अपने नीड्स आगे रख सकते हैं और हमारे वो नीड्स कंप्लीट हो।